right, take it up slowly.
Tension engaged. Lift her slow and steady.
That paint in the sun.
Absolutely.
I'm at the location now. It's a 36 Mercedes, hasn't moved in decades. We're gonna need a heavy wrecker and specialized straps. Engine is seized solid. We're definitely dragging it.
The wheels are completely locked up and the rubber is shot.
We need to winch it out slowly, minimize vibration on the structure. Front chain secure, everyone clear the area.
All secure back here. Take it up slow.
All right, take it up slowly. Easy now, watch the straps. Keep it steady.
Tension engaged. Lift her slow and steady.
Copy that. Watch for falling debris. All right, keep coming back slow. Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, hold it right there.
Is that a 500K Special Roadster?
Yeah, but look at the fenders. We have our work cut out for us.
All right, bring it up slow. Watch the chains. Swing it to the right. Easy now, settle it down.
The corrosion on the fenders is worse than I thought. We'll need to stabilize this before we even think about the paint match.
This grease is really stubborn.
Try the stronger degreaser on that section near the manifold.
Watch the clearance. Nice and easy.
Got it, just a little higher. I finally got this pipe loose.
Okay, lift it slowly. I've got the bracket here.
This mounting bracket here is completely shot. We'll need to fabricate a new one.
And the corrosion on the firewall is extensive. It all needs stripping.
Easy now. Just another inch on the front left.
Got it. Looks aligned with the mounts.
Slow down. Perfect. Careful now, nice and slow. Feel for the click. Heard it. Moving to the next one. Look at that paint in the sun.
Absolutely flawless, worth every hour.